So, today is the day. It is AFROPUNK Day. Excuse my appearance. I may or may not post this video, but it is what it is. This is just part of the process. Today's AFROPUNK. I am just attending Sunday's show because I love Burna Boy, I love Lucky Day, and I want to see Cruz alive. Oh shit, sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along the journey of that. Yeah, I just did my nails. Not really sure if I'm happy with how they turned out, but it is what it is. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go to Brooklyn, we're gonna go to AFROPUNK, and again, may or may not use this clip because anyway, see you soon. Trust the process, people. Trust the process, people. Trust it. Because this is kind of cute, but it ain't it right now. It ain't right now. What's it? I think I'm ready now. So this is my outfit. I'm gonna wear some platform Crocs, but I think it came out so good, my hair. And yeah, off to AFROPUNK. I don't even get it, why you got the blues and the world on your shoulders, walk in every shoe, wipe your tears, drink up and dance like we all lose, it's not about you. These are my confessions. What to do, but you gotta keep on. Like, he's about to give someone he loves the most depressing news they possibly got, and he's combing his hair. Like, why would you possibly care about how your hair looks like right now? Sorry. I'm just confused. There's no one in the crowd. You don't have to call. Yeah, girl, your faces. Where's this Uber?
You my baby, and my dog is on probation. Let's make girls to which little kid. go to look, I say there's not enough. If I do 99 good. Don't know how to show you my love without money now. But I'm gonna buy you a new baby, if I made you love. God, so baby, now my day. I don't want nobody to be my love. For this life I live, I want to be celebrated.
We made it! Barely made it!
Dying.
I look like Cindy Lou Who. I know my next Halloween costume.